Okay, so for this one, we're going to start with the integral sine to the fifth t over the square root of cosine t. The first thing we're going to do is simplify that so it's easier for us to integrate. It can be sine squared t. And that's going to be squared, so that's now 4 sine over cosine t. And the fifth sine dt. Alright, so now there's still 5 sines over the square root of cosine t. Now what we're going to do is u substitution. U we're going to make equal to cosine t. And then du equals the derivative of cosine t, which is negative sine t. And since it's negative, we're going to divide by the negative 1. So it's going to be negative du equals sine dt. Alright, so we're going to plug that in. We're going to get equals the integral. 1 minus cosine squared is equivalent to sine squared, so it's going to be 1 minus u squared over u, the square root of u. And then since this is already here, it's negative du. You can bring the negative out to the front. Du. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to FOIL this. So it's going to be equivalent to the negative integral 1 minus 2u squared plus u to the fourth over u to the 1/2, which is equivalent to the square root of u, du. Now you get rid of the fraction by simplifying this, so it's going to be equivalent to the negative integral u to the negative 1/2 minus 2u 3 over 2 plus u to the 7 over 2, so we mean parentheses, du. Alright, so now we're going to integrate. So we're going to have equals negative. Alright, so we integrate, we're going to have negative 2u to the 1/2, or, my bad, it's not going to be negative, u to the 1/2 minus 4 over 5, u to the 5 over 2 plus 2 over 9 u to the 9 over 2 plus c. So now we're just going to plug the u's back in. So we're going to get negative 2 cosine 1/2 t minus 1 over, or 4, or 5 cosine 5 over 2t plus 2 over 9 cosine 9 over 2t plus c. That's going to be your final answer.